Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some homemade coleslaw. So here I have my cabbage and I'm going to cut it very thinly. And you want to make sure to cut it very thinly when you're making coleslaw. So this is how I cut my cabbage to make my coleslaw. So I'm done cutting my cabbage and I am going to wash my cabbage in some salt water. And you want to make sure that your vegetables are clean. So to clean them, you can actually use salt water to clean them. I will also be washing my carrots with my cabbage. So before I am making sure to take off the outer part of the carrot, and this is how I remove the outer part of the carrot. You can use a carrot peeler if you like, but I prefer to do it this way because it's easier, it's fast, and you get to save more of your carrot, right? So now that my cabbage is clean and my carrot is clean, I'm going to transfer my cabbage to another bowl in which I'm going to make my coleslaw. After which I'm going to grate my carrots, and then I am going to add some onions, and also I'm going to add mayo. And you don't want to make your onion chunks in chunks. You want to make sure to cut it very thin, like very fine. And this side of the grater I'm going to use to grate my carrots. So I'm about to add my mayo and mix it all together with the vegetables, and there you have it, my easy homemade coleslaw. And if there is something that you add to your coleslaw that I did not add, please to leave it in the comment section down below. And if there is something that I add that you don't add, also leave that in the comment section as well. And remember to like my video, leave a comment, subscribe, and cook with love always.